morning. In our next tutorial, we'll concentrate on how to open image which is there on your internal or external memory that using intent. So for that, I'm creating this project name called open image. Open image. I want to open image using this. So how to open that, we can clearly check this now. See, this is also comes under category of implicit intent only. So what happens with this, we can see this. It is simple, same like we call as this action. So that action can be here get content. So once it's here, it is getting some content somewhere that is from the your gallery. So just a minute, here also I'm taking one button. So I'm taking one button to this. So here I'm writing this open image. So open image, just I'm taking this open image. Now here it's a data binding. I'm applying here data binding. So data binding dot enabled equal to true. Just I apply data binding enabled equal to true. So once it's a data binding as enabled, then here I can write a listener for that. So activity main binding something binding, then here I'm applying this binding equal to data binding util dot this. Here I'm applying the context, that is main activity dot this. Then after here I'm applying this binding dot that button open image dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener. So again here I'm writing this intent only, intent equal to new intent, everything as the same. Then simply here I also write this start activity of intent. Now here small change. So here I want to get content here. So I'm writing this here action get content. Last time we added the view, now I want to get content. So get content, intent action get content. So what the type of content, here I can define the type in a next line using that intent dot. So intent dot set type, just I am defining here type. What is the type? So the type here I want to get that as an image. So must and should, it should follows by this, so that what it can define on your phone automatically the path of that particular application, it can be defined this. So then here now I'm running this application. You can able to see this, if it is opening an application in my phone or not, we can able to see automatically it can be open phone on my this. See, just I'm opening this. Once it's run, here we can able to check this how it is opened, this one. So I'm running this application, so it's installing. See here now I'm clicking on this. See, it's automatically open the images which are available on my phone. It's automatically open these images. So this is about this. So here also it's open this one of the third-party application, but it should be open this images like this. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.